first Saturday of the month, and I'm here at Touch Magic because I did the Broom Workshop. So it's a witch's broom. You make a large witch's broom. The class, it's 1, 2, or 3 people. I don't do more than 3 people because it's really hands-on, especially for me. But you leave with an incredible broom that all your intentions are in. You get to choose the twine color. You can add, there's an add-on where you can put a touch of color inside the broom. But if you go to my Facebook page, if you're not watching this already through A Touch of Magic, you can go to Brooms by Jenza and look at all the pictures of the broom makers and what they've done. And what am I doing here? So first Saturday of the month, keep on going. First Saturday of the month, check out the Touch of Magic website and you should be able to see and sign up for my class on that. I cannot believe 2023 is now over. I have met so many incredible people in my broom workshops this year. I've been doing broom workshops since 2017, so this was the end of my 7th year of making brooms with people. The joy it brings to me and the joy I see in everyone's faces when they create their own broom is incredible. I can't wait to 2024. I thank all the broom makers of 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and finally 23. I hope to see everyone in 2024.